Meaning of encounter.
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 Encounter. Encounter means to meet or come across someone or something unexpectedly or by chance. The result of an encounter can vary depending on the situation and context. It could be a positive or negative experience, leading to a new friendship or a conflict. Encounters can also lead to learning opportunities, personal growth, and new perspectives. Ultimately, the result of an encounter depends on the attitudes and actions of the people involved and the circumstances surrounding the meeting.